How to fix WhatsApp download fail problem. So if you want to fix the WhatsApp download fail, then first you need to check your internet connection, because if you don't have a stable internet connection, then you will not be able to download anything like WhatsApp images or messages or anything. So check your internet connection, and once you've checked, you need to simply open up your Play Store and make sure that you don't have any updates, because if you have any updates, then your WhatsApp will not function properly. So simply search for WhatsApp on your Play Store or your App Store and make sure that you have updated your WhatsApp Messenger application. Once you update it, now you need to open up your WhatsApp application. Go for the upper right, which has that three dots icon, and then tap on settings. Under settings, you need to go for chats option. Under chats, make sure that you have backed up your chat. So simply tap on chat backup, and then again tap on backup and make sure that you have backed up your chats. Once you've done that, now you need to go back and you need to go for storage and data. Under storage and data, you can choose when using mobile data, when connected on Wi-Fi, and when roaming. So make sure that you have selected all of these things like photos, audios, videos, and documents. Simply tap on all of that, and then again go for when connected on Wi-Fi and make sure that you have chosen all of these under the Wi-Fi also, and tap on OK. And now you need to go for media upload quality, and you can choose standard quality or you can choose HD quality, or you can customize this whenever you send something to your friends or your family. So if you're out of storage, then you can simply delete some items, and then you will be free of storage and your problem will be fixed. Or the other thing you can check is you need to check if your WhatsApp is down or not, because sometimes WhatsApp might not work properly because it may be down for some hours or for 24 hours like that. So just check that. If it's down, then you just need to wait for 24 hours, and after that, on the next day, your problem will be fixed. So these were the fixes, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.